guys, Phoenix here, and today we are doing Ghost Hunt episode 5 after long last. And today I'm with
Bailey.
Just Bailey. That's
Bailey.
his name.
Just
No one
Bailey.
else is.
No.
Just Bailey. He was
Yeah.
born Bailey. So today we're back in the attic and we're gonna try and see if we can catch anything once again. Bailey's done things like a Ouija board, so he's had some decent ghost experience himself. So
Yeah, it wasn't fun at all. Just don't do it on your own is my best guess, really. Just get with a group of mates. Should be okay.
Yeah. So I think without further ado, let's just get into this.
All right then. Unless you can start off with getting the glasses off.
Right. We can't see a thing over there, so
Let's just
we can't see a thing over there, so
let's just put it this way, right? Because the torch is on the phone, we can only see like a good 2 foot off from the camera, and then it's just pitch black. So if we end up staring over there, it's probably because we just know, we think something's there, but just take it.
so
I'll not dare be in this attic alone. I tell you, I'm nothing.
if there's anything here,
Did you hear that?
yes.
Not even 2 seconds in. Oh dear.
Please make yourself known. You heard that?
I'm laughing because I'm nervous. No, I heard something back there.
Like down by the stairwell, didn't it?
No, it was more further back, I reckon. That was further.
Yeah.
That was, do you know we got this chair? Yeah, I'm on a rocking chair.
It sounded like it was on a slight left hand side
It was behind
down
that.
there.
It was behind that.
What?
Surely it was behind that. If there's anything here, can you knock twice, please? Can you repeat after me?
A sniffle.
Just saying what is creepy though is not knowing if there is something there.
Because we can't see anything back there.
Exactly.
That's the worst part of it.
If we could see them, by all means, fair enough. But there's just a vibe up here that I don't like.
Yeah.
Have a kettle chip. Yes, I'm eating, by the way.
If there's anything here, do you want to share Bailey's kettle crisps? Not you birds. Spirits kind of are like gas, aren't they? A spirit.
Spirit is drinking. I keep thinking I'm seeing something back there.
Yeah.
Because right, see that little light thing.
We're both
there?
just staring back that way.
Exactly. No, because see that little
I can see that line, yeah.
See the line, right?
Yeah.
I swear to God, something just went like that. Do you know? He just kind of covers it really quickly.
Where's my other phone?
On my life. It's
That's record.
It's fucking through that gap there. I swear to God. Should I check? Yeah, but look in the shadow there. Look at the doll's hand.
Oh yeah, that is creepy.
Is there anything behind us? Can you make a noise? Did you?
You heard like movement coming from that corner, didn't you?
Yeah. Sounded like something just shuffled, didn't it? What's back there like?
coal and stuff, and that sounded like that coal moving.
It did, didn't it? Yeah. Sound like, do you know, like somebody steps on it, but like
Yeah.
really, really lightly. What be down there? Watch us like be missing so much stuff as well.
Yeah, like I always check back on the camera to see if anything's showing up on the camera that we can't see in person.
Right, let's just turn these torches off. Make it a bit darker. You know, ask her for the next one then, since I've asked more than you.
Is there anything you can do that would be blatantly obvious to us that would show us that you're here? My stomach's rumbling. Was that you?
Was what, mate?
I heard like a little squeak.
Whoa. I've just seen something. Right, see that light there? See the light where the kind of the orange is shining? I've just seen something just go from left to right. I'm not fucking joking. Like literally, do you know where the doorway is?
Yeah.
I've just seen something just go like that. Literally just really quickly. It's how something just walked across. Think I'm joking, I'm being serious.
As a second segment, just so it's not all one clip, what I'll do now is I'll turn the camera around to face that side, so as we ask questions, if anything pops up, we can see something on camera.
Plus,
Oh god, now it's dark this side.
don't mind. Just make sure this thing's covered.
Keep knocking these boxes, I'm trying to make sure I don't touch anything.
Yes, man. If you can see the light, can you please make yourself known? By noise or manifestation, is that the word?
No idea.
Yeah. Oh, manifest, yeah.
That was that end.
That sounded like, you know,
That sounded like those sheets.
somebody went like that. Yeah, it's the sheets, I reckon. Keep looking at the sheets.
Can you move those sheets at all? Okay guys, so we decided to go back into the attic now. Bailey has got his homemade Ouija board.
Because it's, you know, it's banging. I
And,
couldn't get my hands on a real one. If I did, then I would have obviously brought it because I'm stupid. But yeah, we've now, well, I've set the doll up on the rocking chair. Well, because you can see it just rocks pretty lovely. So literally, even the slightest rock you can see.
Yeah.
So if you see out, just literally shout me, because plus I can't see anything behind you, so it should be. So that's far away then, because we're just gonna get this done.
Are we pulling it out first, or are we just starting with questions?
Just that question, so
Right. So, we're back again. If anyone or anything is here, make yourself known to us, please. We just want to find out if ghosts are real. Can you make some sort of knock, or some sort of sound, or some sort of movement to tell us that you're here?
That's me, sorry. This is squeaky, this behind me.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm trying not to move.
Can you make the rocking chair move?
So I feel like something's in that corner, you know.
Yeah.
Cause all my attention keeps getting dragged over there for some reason.
Yeah, weirdly now we've come back up. I'm just looking over there and it's like I don't have a feeling over there anymore.
But I do over here.
Yeah. Shall we pull that out? We've got 2.5 minutes left.
Nah. Just keep it up here. Because only you come up here anyway.
Huh?
Only you come up here anyway, basically. So if you just leave it there, face down. I've just got to chill. You think I'm joking? Just got to chill at my left arm. Oh, that was horrible. Jake, do you know like a breeze, but it was like ice cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Anyway, guys, sorry about that jump scare. I just thought I'd put that in for the laugh of it. But yes, there are a lot of clips that I cut out of this simply because the video would have been 24 minutes long and not much else happened. So I thought I'd keep in the main bits where we saw a couple of things, for example, the orbs in the video. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video anyway. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Smack the bell for notifications if you want to see me take his face again. And leave a comment if you did see anything during this video that we didn't notice. So, yes. That is going to be it for a Ghost Hunt episode 5. See you in episode 6, whenever that's going to be. Phoenix Salute, out.